Hey guys, back with another video from my addictive blogging channel. So smartphone addiction has become a really dangerous thing, and an average person spends more than 5 hours a day on their smartphones, and also for this our attention span has got reduced to less than 4 seconds. And it's time to take back control and be the master of tech and make the technology do things for you. So in this video I will be talking about an app which will definitely reduce the time you spend on your smartphones and help you deal with your smartphone addiction. And this is not any other app, this is a very special app which will help you to make your life a lot better, as you will be able to focus and give time on the things that really matter in your life. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are a tech enthusiast, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So smartphones are a really important thing in our lives, and definitely it is taking control as we are getting hooked to each and every app on our phone. So whenever we receive a notification, we check the phone, and without even realizing we spend a lot of time on these devices, and as soon as the dopamine kicks in, we are really hooked on these devices, and these social media apps are really controlling and distracting us. So a lot of apps has been released to pause the notifications and also delay the notifications so that we don't get distracted by them. And there are options in our phone like the do not disturb mode, which if we turn on, definitely it can help with not showing the notifications, and only we will be receiving the important ones. The real question is, does these apps really work? And if they really work, then why are we spending so much time on our smartphones without even realizing in our day-to-day life? So if these apps are not working, then what is the solution to this problem? So the solution is an app which will entirely shut down your phone and definitely not let you use it for a certain amount of time. And in this case, you should be able to get the important calls and the emergency numbers you should be able to access, because you should be getting the calls that really matter to you. So if I see in my OnePlus phone, the developers has really come up with a solution, that is the Zen mode, which is integrated with this phone. And if you activate this option in your phone, you will not be able to use your phone for a certain period of time, and only will receive the important calls. Even you will not be able to access the messages which will be coming to your phone or send any message to the other person, because the dopamine kicks in right where we see a message or get a notification, and we end up using the phone for a long period of time. So this option is available in our OnePlus devices, but what about the stock Android devices like the Nothing phone or the phones which doesn't have this app? So for these phones we can install a definitely new app, and this app exactly works like the Zen mode which is there in the OnePlus phones. So the app name which is available in the Play Store and is a replacement of the Zen mode for the OnePlus is Lock My Phone, and this app you will get on your Play Store. The thing is, you need to install this app, and once you have installed this app, you need to activate it by clicking on the icon in the menu. So once you are going to this app, you will be prompted to accept some of the permissions, because it will entirely lock your phone and will not allow you to use it for a certain period of time. So you should be using this option if you are really interested to change your life or make your life better. So definitely after opening the app, you will get the option of Lock My Phone, and in the recurring lock periods you can definitely turn on the number of times and the period of time the phone will be locked in. So here I have created one time lock period which I have set as 2 hours 24 minutes, and you can set the time as per your choice. So you can give it as long as you want. So I will recommend you to give it a shorter period of time, because you don't want to miss out important notifications or important functions which you are using in our phone. So here you can select the amount of time definitely, and where it will be locked. So you can select the location where it will be locked. For me it will be locked everywhere, so I am not selected it. So we all win when in our life we get a win-win situation, and the developer has used it in here. So instead of asking for a coffee or money, the developer has found a way to get paid from this app. So whenever you will be activating this one-time lock, you will not be able to use the phone for a definite amount of time, and in that case if you get some emergency, you have to unlock the phone by paying real money to the developer. So let me show what is happening here. So let's select a time period of 1 minute and click on OK, and for 1 minute I will not be able to use this phone. So let's enable this option here. So once I enable, you will be prompted with a notification that your phone is getting locked and you will not be able to use it. So you have to click on yes option, and once you click on yes option, you will see that you will not be able to use your phone, definitely, even if you are giving the correct password. So I am trying to give the correct password and everything. I am not able to use. Only the option which will be available to me is the incoming calls, and definitely I will be also getting the emergency call feature which is available with the phones. So definitely you will not be able to use your phone in any way, and you will not get the notifications also here, so that you will not get distracted and give your time to the things that really matter. So that's it guys, I just wanted to tell you about this app, and this app is a really great app to have on our phone. So I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.